Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Chemical Engineer. I am Sahil Yadav and in this video we are going to continue our plant design and economic course. Okay, so for the first video we are going to see what are different types of costs that are available or that are estimated during plant setup. Okay, so this video is on the basis of total cost or total capital cost estimation. Okay, so we divide the capital cost into different parts. So we will see what are different parts and what all things are included in them. Okay, so let us start the video. So capital cost. So capital cost is something which is a total capital cost which includes everything. Okay, so total capital cost includes fixed capital cost, that is FC, plus it includes working capital cost, that is WC, plus it also includes land cost, plus non-depreciable cost. Okay, so capital cost is something which is a combination or the addition of all the cost which are required to set up a plant. Okay, so fixed cost is what we will study in the later part of this video, and the land cost. And so one thing that we will not study in this video is non-depreciable cost. So non-depreciable cost, so first of all you have to search the meaning of depreciation. Okay, so question 1 of this video is search the meaning of depreciation and comment it. Okay, so non-depreciation or non-depreciable cost is the cost for that only. Okay, so capital cost is something which is a combination of total cost for starting the plant. Next we have total capital investment. So total capital investment is a fund required to purchase land, designing, purchasing and installing equipments and buildings to bring the facility into operation. So if you want to start a plant, you require some investment, that is to buy all the equipments, then construct all the buildings and construct everything. So that cost is included in total capital investment. Okay, so the amount that a company invests in something is known as total capital investment. Next we have fixed capital investment. So fixed capital investment is the investment which is required to set up a plant. Okay, total cost of plant ready for startup. So up to the startup of plant, the amount that is required is known as fixed capital investment. So why it is known as fixed capital investment? Because it includes manufacturing equipments, piping, ductwork, structure insulation, painting, site preparation and environmental control equipments, as well as engineering and contractors cost. So fixed word comes from the all the things that are prepared in or required which are stationary or non-living things included in this cost, like equipment cost, piping cost, ductwork cost, structuring cost, insulation, painting. All these costs are the invested which cannot give a return. Okay, like you do a piping or networking in any plant, so this will not give you any return, but it will give you only product, and that product will give you return. Okay, so fixed capital means the investment that is necessary to be done, that is included in fixed capital investment. Means it is the minimum or I would say the minimum amount that is required to start up a plant. Okay, so MCQ may be asked in your gate that total cost for plant ready for startup is included in dash. So your answer should be fixed capital investment. Also they may ask you any of this, that manufacturing equipment is included in dash. So your answer should be fixed capital investment. Okay, so you should have clear understanding of this. Next we have working capital. Like we have studied that capital cost is divided into three part, or addition of three part, that is fixed capital investment, working capital investment, and the land cost. So second is working capital investment. So working capital investment, okay, so it is a additional investment, so it is excluding the fixed capital investment. So working capital is the investment which is required to start up a plant and start operating it. Okay, so if you want to operate or start the operation of a plant, then that money is included in working capital. So this include raw material, work in progress, and finished product. Similarly, cost of inventory, warehouse, insurance, and security. So all these things related to the working of plant are included in working capital. It also includes readily available cash for emergency, as well as additional cash for operate business. Okay, so working capital is the capital that is used after the plant is started up or set up is completed. Okay, so this all are the type of capital which you should remember. Now we have the land investment, or we can say land cost. So in fixed capital investment, suppose we are investing 100 rupees for purchasing a equipment and then installing it, and suppose we have a company, so we require 100 rupees to start a company. Out of this 100 rupees, 97 rupees are used in all the things, that is purchasing equipment, building, as well as to bring facility into operation. Okay, means all the things. But other 3 rupees are saved for the land cost. Okay, so out of this 100, 3%, or I would say the 3 rupees are for the land cost. Okay, so always remember, this is an important question for GATE, that about how many percentage of fixed capital investment may be used to estimate land cost. So answer should be 3%. Okay, so I end this video here. Thank you for watching the video, and I request you all to please subscribe to our channel and also join us on Telegram and Instagram. Okay, so next video we will discuss about the different methods for fixed capital cost estimation. Okay, so there are different methods that we will study in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it will help you. Thank you.